about scraperboards is it's a little bit tricky because there's no grey. You've either got black or white. So if you look at your object and you look at all the medium tones from the lightest lights to the darkest darks, you're going to have lots of different mediums. So how do we get the mediums with scraperboards? We have to get it with texture. So the texture can either be the cross-hatching, or it can be the scratching, or it can be the stippling, but you're going to get grey some other how than colouring in grey. Okay. So I think the first thing we're going to look at is if you could find your texture paper and the practice one. Now you've got a choice as a teacher. I've actually chosen to give you this plus a pencil, and we're going to take a few minutes today just to practice the different techniques. We've got hatching, cross-hatching, contouring, scribbles, etc. So the things that you can do in drawing to create texture. Texture is how something feels. In our case, it's not just how something feels, it's also to create tone. So the same textures that you get in drawing with a pencil, you can scratch into the scraperboard. So take a couple of minutes and just do your own way of stippling, contouring, and we're literally just going to take about 5 minutes. So the learners can take longer. What you might want to do, it's another idea, is you could get them to do 2 scraperboards, and then they could actually practice the texturing on the scraperboard itself. So that's another option. Some of you might have done the examples in the little squares actually go from dark to light. So you're using the texture drawing examples to create tone. So you're not just practicing stippling, you're practicing stippling, which is the dots, going from dark to light.